Well, it's been a few weeks since we last posted our Center for the Art and Trades video update. Here's Tiggy mixing the mortar, putting the posts in over Christmas and New Year's break. Digging more holes. And of course, taking a break to play with our dogs. That's Otis, the German Shepherd. Yep, building the school for the kids, for the next generation. Not specifically our kids, since we don't have kids. But the school will be for kids and for adults. The idea is to teach people how to use the art trades for practical use and to have fun too. Right, Ty? Yeah. Alright, we're back at it. Next to her own pair of wings.